Hey folks, welcome back to Russ Garage. Today I'm gonna show you, cause I told you I was gonna do some cutting and welding on this frames. So I have just a brief recap. I have 6 pop-outs on this bus. So all 6 frames are bad, really bad. I'm gonna show you right here. This is how bad they look. It's really bad. So what I'm gonna do is, I got the 2 right here from the double cab, and those are really good. So I'm gonna use those 2. And when you look at these pieces, this side is really bad, and this side it's fairly good. Same, well, opposite on this side. This side is really bad, and this side. So each frame that was on the bottom, like that, this one should go right here. It was crusty. So, but then the ones on the top is really good. So what I told you I was gonna do is, I'm gonna cut these frames and I'm gonna weld them together, and I'm gonna make, out of this 6 frames, I'll make 3. And I think it's gonna turn out pretty good, and I will show you the process, or I will tell you what I'm gonna do, because I know there's a few folks that told me that they're doing the exact same thing. So I think the most critical part on this is cutting, where you're gonna cut and how you're gonna cut it. So I'm gonna do one, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna turn out, and we'll figure out. Measure twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then cut. And then if you cut it a little shorter, just weld it a little longer. So it should be all right. All right. So I'm gonna put the fast speed here, and I'm gonna get the measurements, and I'm gonna cut it. So I'm probably gonna get a point where it's cut. So, and then I'm gonna use the skinniest of the blades to cut. I'm not gonna use a grinder. I don't like grinders to cut. It takes too much. But I got a bandsaw that can cut them. So I'm gonna take the measurement from here. Since this is a point, I'm gonna take it from here to wherever I want to cut. I can cut it this way, I can cut it that way. But if you see on this one, this is the part that is really nice. So there ain't no reason, unless this part is all ate up. So you probably, it's your decision where to cut, if you're gonna cut on this side or this side. So we'll see. So we're probably gonna take a measurement from here, let's say about 1 inch, and then cut here and cut this one here, and then we're gonna fuse those 2 together, or weld it. All right, folks, so here we go. So told you I was gonna use this side of this frame because it's good here and it's bad over here on this side, and I was gonna use this side because this side is bad. So what I did was very simple measurements right here. Look, oops, sorry. I just put my ruler right here and mark it straight down the line, and exact same measurement right there. Mark it and then cut it. Here we go. So this is what I have left. This one, garbage, and throw it away. This one is garbage, throw it away. So now this is what I have right there. So I have a complete good frame. Well, half a frame anyways, because now I have to do the other half that is that over there. But this is at least 1/2 of a frame. And I just gotta leave it on the table straight, clamp it really good, and weld it. I'm probably gonna TIG weld it, and we'll see how it goes. All right, folks, I made a jig here, and yeah, it looks really straight. So got a very straight piece of metal, and it looks good. So I'm gonna do a little bit of welding, and I'm gonna see how it turns out. All right, folks, so here is 1/2. It's completed. Turned out pretty good. And I did a little bit of TIG welding, but man, I suck at steel TIG. Jesus. But I finished it off with MIG, and it turned out perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. All right, folks, I'm back. So, as you see, I did all my my welding, and I just need to clean it up. Clean her up a little bit. It's gonna look kind of like that when you finish, but it'll be fine because you'll clean it up. And this one over here, I cleaned it up, and it turned out really nice. So here we go. So this is gonna go right in here, and this other one is gonna go right now. Let me put this back over here. It's a lot easier. Right there. All right, so here it is. All right, so this is gonna slide right in through here, and that one right in through there, and that is the frame. Let me show you. This is the other frame from the double cab. It's the same exact thing right there. So you have your mounts for your pop out, and then you have your hinge mount, five little screw holes. And I just saved about 40 bucks, 50 bucks by doing this. And if I wouldn't done this, I would have to pay $240 something to get all 6 pop-out frames, and that's a lot of money when you're on a budget, and you know, budget keeps creeping up. So that's it, guys. So now I have my my mounts for my little screws right here, and then my mounts for my little screws right here. The other frames that were gone, and then I have my channel for my seal that goes in there, slides in through there. And this is, I'm very happy with the outcome. It's now I got 3 frames. I got to do 2 more, and I got to buy one. So, and this is junk. That is junk. You can't use it. It's very deteriorated. So, all right, guys. I'll let you go. I know it's a Sunday, and I just wanted to do this because I had a little time, and I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, just hit me up. And you can also share this on YouTube, like it and subscribe to my channel, and also find me at Facebook, Ross VW Garage. And I hope you have a good rest of the weekend, and I'll see you later, folks. All right, bye.